See,
And next time when you will return as CM, will you again?
see, next time returning as CM, Congress CM is next to impossible. That's won't happen in this state. And as far as him continuing as a CM is concerned, see, that's a natural thing for any politician trying to protect his seat to tell. But there is an imploding, the whole Congress, there is no exploding, it's imploding from the inside. There's a big tussle, power tussle between DK Shivakumar and Sidramaya going on. We all know that. And there is no need for the CM to tell that I am going to complete my term. Why he has to tell that he has to complete his term? Because he has his doubts in his own mind. He has a doubt that he is not going to complete his term. So he is going on repeating. That's a guilty conscience in him speaking out loud.
Sir, what is your stand on delimitation? Because southern states are coming closer and saying we will stand against the delimitation.
See, when previously when the delimitation thing was done under the UPA government, when the process was told to us, there was a chance of South in some few states losing few seats. Now there is no fear of losing few seats. There is going to be more seats in all the southern states. It's on the papers. We have proof of that, and we are open for debate. Comparatively, the Tamil Nadu DMK Chief Minister Stalin has been telling that compared to other states, if you do the delimitation based on the population, our share will be less. But it is not going to be less than what is already present.